Hello friends, welcome back once again to our channel, and today we are going to have a very quick unboxing of Canon 1500D. It is just 13th of October and it is reached to me. I ordered the product on 10th of October under the Great Indian Festival offer as offered by Amazon.in. The delivery speed was quite amazing because it took only 2 days to reach in. However, in this case, whatever I find, the packing quality is not so good. There is no bubble wrapping, only a very ordinary packing is here, you can see. However, you can see the sealing. This is very nice. Double sealing is given. Now I'm opening the carry case. The quality of this carry case is quite good. Here is a big space for the camera and the lens. You can carry whatever is given with it, whatever the chip, the charging point, charging unit, everything. You can insert it. This is the separator. You can keep the main body of the unit and the lenses separately. And here you can see there is a double protection. First there is a kind of strapping there, and then the clip for double protection. However, in this case I would like to make you sure that in this case the packaging was not so good. There was no bubble wrapping. You can see, yes, the strap is so strong here. The quality is good. Now I'm going to the main unit. I'm going to open it. I'm going to opening the seal now. This is very nice that you can see 16 GB card is given. Here's the model number EOS 1500D. 2 years warranty, 1 plus 1 year. One year is regular warranty, and the second year for offer. Now here are some specifications. You can go for it. Now this is the time for opening the seal. Now this is the opening. The seal I have cut. I am very much curious to have the look of the unit. I had been using its previous model, that is 1200D, for last 2 years, and this is the next variant. It has Wi-Fi and you can use it using your smartphone. This is the strap for the main unit, and everything that is given by Canon is very strong, and this is the branding on the strap that gives a very gorgeous look to the strap. And these are the manual. You can go for it if you have some time, but in this case I'm leaving this. And this is these are the warranty cards that you will have to use if you see any problem regarding the unit, but I wish there should not be any problem. This is the battery, is the cap covering the copper plate. This is the charging cable. Yes, this is the 16 GB card that is given as free with this unit, and everything is given on offer. I see this is the lens. I am going for it later. This is the charging unit. We'll have to place the battery into it, and this is the main body. I'm curious. I'm very much curious, and you can see there's nothing inside the box. Let it keep aside. Now this is the main body, and this is the lens. Yes, this is 1855 mm lens. You can use it for any close-up picture. And this is the main unit, and I think it looks quite same to its previous unit, that is 1200D. And yes, I forgot to mention that I bought it for one of my colleagues who ordered it through my account. The weight of the unit is not so light, it's quite heavy, and I think the quality is nice. Of course, the product that is offered by Canon is quite good, and you can compare it with Nikon. It is also a very good brand. Yes, just see the process of attaching the lens with the unit. We'll have to match the white point, is the white mark point with the unit and the white mark point of the lens. And while opening the lens, you will have to press this key just beside the lens, and just anti-clockwise you will have to move the lens, and you can open it. And here these are two keys for auto stabilization and autofocus and manual focus. You can change the setting. The lid has been opened. Now I am putting the battery inside the unit. It is covered with a plastic. It's very carefully. It is provided by Canon 16GB chip. Now I am going to show you how to put the battery and the chip inside the main unit. You will have to press it towards you, towards your body. You will have to press it, and just in this way you will have to open the slot and put the battery. Just you can see the point, the copper plated point, and you can insert the battery in this way. And this is the point, and this is the lock. You will have to give a pressure just at the left side, and the battery will automatically be popped out of the slot. And just above that you can see the memory card slot, and the instruction is given on the plate that you have opened. On the lid of the slot you can see the instruction of putting the memory card, and in this way you will have to close it. Now it is ready. It is ready for shoot. Now this is the control unit. You can change the modes. All kinds of modes are given, and I will personally suggest you to use auto mode, that is given in green color for the beginners. For the beginners of DSLR user, auto mode is the best mode. And just beside there's a flash on key. You can use the flash if you want anywhere. And now I am going to give you a demo how to shoot. Now you will have to half press the key, the shutter key, half press, and there will be autofocus. If the autofocus is on, the focus will be taken automatically, and in this way the photo will be taken. So friends, the all over experience is quite nice. I would like to suggest you to buy this if you have any chance on Amazon, and the offer is going on up to 15th of October 2018. You can go for it. It is quite amazing product. You can use it, of course. For the beginners, it's a very good DSLR. You can manage it very easily. All the settings are quite nice. So up to here today's session. So my friends, we will meet again in our next session. Thank you.